So research have shown that investments that give you 20% returns in a year is a good investment. But what about if I give you an opportunity to invest in a safe and secure place that yet can give you 100 or 150% returns yearly? You will grab it, wouldn't you? So let me be using the opportunity to bring to your notice Gemstone Estates. Here, facing the Lekki, the new coastal road that has started construction. Before, when we mentioned there will be a coastal road, there will be linking Eleko to VI. People always believe it's a marketing gimmicks, but now it's happening right before us. As you can see around, the construction has started massively. But you are yet to position yourself in this lovely place. You have not bought anything within this axis. Oh, the time is now. Gemstone Eleko here in Idado promises a good return, and it's a wise investment for you to do right now. Preserve it and let's see what will happen in the coming year. You are going to be reaping in millions. This place is a lovely place, and you can see that it's within a great landmarks, neighborhoods around here like Dangote Refinery and Petrochemicals. Behind us here we have Gemstone Estates Phase 2. We have Lekki Deep Seaport. We have Lekki proposed and already approved international airport within this axis. We have so many landmarks, so many great neighborhoods that is bringing a lot of investment and a lot of improvement in this axis. The infrastructure around here is so massive. So when you position yourself in a lovely place like this, you tend to reap in millions in years to come. This place is having the title called Approved Excision, and it's selling for a 500 square meter is going for just 15 million naira, while our 300 square meter here is going for 9 million naira. With initial deposit of 2 million, you can key into it and pay within 6 months without having to break the bank. It's an investment that is worth it, and you will surely thank me for this opportunity. Just look around you, see how lovely the place is. The ground is green, and this is a place that you should be. I'm waiting to hear from you. Kindly call the number on this video. Let me be of help to secure this lovely investment for you. So this coastal road you are looking at will be covering up to 700 kilometers. Yes, as I've explained to you earlier on, it's going to be a dual way with a train track in between the road. So this is London in Lagos. The coastal road construction has started, and I told you to be linking this Eleko to VI, then from Lagos to Calabar, and it will be passing through 6 different states, and it will make our traveling to the east to be more seamless. Like a lot of hours that is being wasted on the road will be minimized, and thereby we can increase the long span of Nigerians. The coastal road is going to be a lovely place. So I will implore you to position yourself in Gemstone. Where I am now is the Gemstone Phase 2 here in Idado, Eleko. It's a lovely place that I will implore you to invest in, so that you can experience massive returns on your investment. It promises to give you up to 150 returns. Let's have a look at it. So thank you for staying tuned. I keep telling investors that one of the things to look out for when you want to invest in real estate is not the price of the land. One important thing is about the location. What are the infrastructure development or the level of development in that axis you want to invest? And the other thing is the title of the land you want to buy. The place you want to invest in, does it have any title? This place that I'm talking about, the Gemstone here in Idado Eleko, is having approved excision. It's a place that is safe and secure. I will implore you to invest now, because a wise man once said, discover where people are moving to. Go ahead of them and invest in that place so that you can maximize your returns on that investment. Here, they have started the construction of the coastal road. Before, whenever we mention the issue of coastal road, a lot of people think it's just a marketing gimmick for us. But here it is. It has started and it will continue until perfection. This way will be linking Eleko to VI. And the same coastal road will run all the way from Lagos to Calabar, passing through 6 different states, and it's going to make traveling from Lagos to the east to be more easier for people. So this place is a sure location you should be thinking of investing in. Do that which your parents cannot do for you, do it for your children. Invest in a lovely place like this. Let your money work for you. I keep telling people that your money is not better off in bank, rather it's better off in investment. Idado here is where you should be investing in. The Gemstone promises to give you a great return on your investment because this axis is appreciating faster as a result of a lot of industries and development that is happening in this axis. So why don't you call the number on this video so that we can preserve this lovely place for you. Let's secure your own plot for you in Gemstone 2 Idado Eleko. And should you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe now and press the notification button beside the subscribe button so that you can be seeing the wonderful investment opportunity we are bringing your way. This is the core of our ministry. We bring to your notice information concerning places you should be investing in so that you can invest right with your hard-earned money. I will be waiting to hear from you. Thank you for watching this video. Till I come to your face again. Bye for now.